Welcome to Ademola Urban Services. My name is Said Abdulgafar, and today we will be showing you how to perform a named range. How to name your range of cells that you might have selected in case you need it for further analysis. Now, beware that this cannot be done offline. You can't do it on your mobile, except for mobile phone. You have to come online using the Excel web. Now, this is how to go about it. The first thing to do is to select the range of cells that you actually need to name. So now I want to select my cells, the range of cells. I'm going to select it. I've selected everything here. Now that I've selected from A1, A2 downwards, I'll click on that A2 at the top. Now that I've clicked on it, so I will now type the name. The name should be others. I want to name it as others. Others. Now that I'll press enter. I don't know if you get it. So it doesn't work. Normally it should work. So if it doesn't work, I'll click on it again. Click on manage. After I'll click on manage. Then this table 2. Not table 2. No, I'm not looking for table 2 too. So I'll click on new. Name on the new one. I want to name it is called others, right? Then the range, I click on that. Revert to this, then select it from where to start and drag it to the end. Observe how it is behaving. Up to 20. Because I'm using mobile, so 19, 21. Let me change it to 21. 21. Alright, now that I'm at 21, so I will minimize my keyboard. Then you see the save, press save. So provide that the name starts with a letters. Okay, underscore. Yes, there is a space, that's why it's bringing the error. So I'll make sure there's no any space here. So then save. Good. You can see the name, the range has been saved from A1 to A21. That is first method. Another method that you can use is that you can select the color, the range also. Now I've selected the range, including the table header. So don't forget, at the tab here, click on formula tab. When you get to formula tab, you see the name manager, right? Click on it. So the same thing. Now that I've clicked on this name manager, it will also come here. You can see it will come here. Say name the same way. It does not. So if you don't do that, you do you go by the way I go. That is the method. So you can say new. So from new, then you type the name of the range you want to work, you want to name, and you are done. So those are the two methods described in this video. If you are using Excel for desktop, there are up to 4 methods that you can use to name your range. So let's name this one. We call it date. Alright, then select the range that we need. So it's there already, everything is selected, but I don't select everything. Let me just select from Okay, then down here, see, you can see we have dates order, and how to find them, you come here beside it, you can see dates order. These are the two ones that we have for now. So this is how to perform a named range in Excel using your mobile phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Till next class, have a wonderful day and bye for now.